Hello beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Mercy. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Please click on the red subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful scrunchie. And one interesting thing about this scrunchie is you do not need any sewing machine to make it. So you can make 10 pieces, 5 pieces for yourself and you'll be proud of it. So if you want to see how I achieved this beautiful scrunchie without a sewing machine, then keep on watching. So to achieve this scrunchie, all you need is a pair of fabric, and the fabric I have measures 16.5 inches and then 4 inches. Now the length of the fabric is totally dependent on you what you want, but this is what I want for mine. And you need a scissors, a matching thread, and an elastic, and this elastic measures 6.5 inches. Now this is the right side of the fabric and this is the wrong side of the fabric. So what you do is grab this edge right here and place it like so. This is what you do. Place it like so, and then you get your needle and thread and sew from this point to this point and sew here. That's what you do. So let's do that. So after sewing it, this is what we have. This is what we have. Can you see that? And then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to place it like so. Now this is the place we've sewn, right? Now you have to grab this edge, the top side, grab it like so, take it out of the way like so. Can you see what I'm doing? And then pick this edge like so and fold it over. Can you see what we have right here? And then I'm going to start sewing from here. So grab your needle and thread and sew. And so this is what we have. Now what you want to do next is grab your elastic and then the pin. So pass the elastic over from the same opening we left. So pass it along like so. Then you just want to use your needle and secure this like so, and then you pass it along So after passing it through, take off the needle and the pin, then one edge of the elastic band and the other edge, place it on top of each other like so, and then grab your needle and thread and sew. So after sewing that very tight, this is what I have. Can you see what I have? Okay, so you flip it in, and then it's time to close the opening. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to do an invisible stitch with my needle and thread. Can you see that? Now this is the end scrunchie. We have our scrunchie right here. Look at that. Can you see that? Can you see? So just wear it on your wrist. We just made a very perfect scrunchie. There you go. So thank you so much for watching. If you totally enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share this video with your girls, share with your daughter, share with your friends. They can actually make a scrunchie on their own. They do not need any sewing machine. Thank you so much and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you in my next one. Bye-bye.